Hello, you're welcome to today's lesson. My name is Harrison. I'm still treating simultaneous equations, but today I'm starting word problems. So we have two questions on the board. Let's start. The first one, 7 knives and 8 jugs cost 1,750. 8 knives and 7 jugs cost 1,700. We have to calculate the cost of a knife and a jug. The second one, 4 bowls and 6 plates cost 7,000 naira. While 6 bowls and 5 plates cost 8,000 naira. We have to find the cost of a bowl and a plate. So let the cost of a knife be equal to X and the cost of a jug equal to Y. So we are talking of 7x plus 8y equal to 1,750. And then secondly, 8x plus 7y equal to 1,007. So let us now use substitution method by picking equation 2. You can also pick equation 1, but I want to use equation 2. So from 2, 8x is equal to 1,007 minus 7y. Equation 3. Equation 3. So, sorry, before we finally get to equation 3, therefore x equal to 1,700 minus 7y all over 8. So it is this one we call equation 3. Equation 3. So in continuation, substitute 3 in 1. That means since we have used 2 to form 3, we are not going back to equation 2. We have to substitute it in equation 1. So anywhere in equation 1, anywhere we have x, we have to substitute this value. And that means we have 7 brackets 1700 minus 7y all over 8, then plus 8y is equal to 1,750. And then that will give us 7 bracket 1700 minus 7y plus 8y equal to 1,750 times 8. That is, you cross multiply. And then going further, you multiply out. Going further, we have a 11900 minus 49 y plus minus 49y plus 64. 64 because we have to multiply this by 8. You multiply everything by 8. You multiply everything by 8. That is this by 8 equal to 1750 by 8. That is, multiply this by 8, this will disappear, this by 8 and this by 8. So that's why we have 64. And then which is equal to 1,000, which is equal to 14,000 by the time you multiply. So we have 119 minus 49 plus 64 equal to 14000. Now we have to come up to continue. And then coming up, coming up here we have you bring down. Coming up here we have you bring this one up. That is 119 minus, oh sorry, collect like terms. So bringing this here, minus 49y plus 64y is equal to, take this to the other side, 14000 minus 11900. And if you carry out, we have a 15y. 15y is equal to, you subtract, and that will give us 2100. 2100. So moving on, we have, therefore y is equal to 2100 all over 15. 5 here is 3. 5 here is 4, 2, 4, 2, 0. 4, 2, 0. Then 420 353 700. Okay, let me correct something. 2100 all over 15. 3 here is 7. 3 here is 5. 5 here is 1. 5 here is 1. Remainder 2, 4, 0. So it then means that y is equal to 140 naira. That means the cost of a job. Okay, we go back. So we can continue by saying from 3, we know that, from equation 3, we know that x is equal to 1700 minus 7y all over 8. So you substitute and then find the value of x. This will give us 1700 minus 7 bracket for 140 all over 8. And then again, using our calculator, we have 1700 minus 980, then all over 8. This will give us 720 all over 8. We divide, and that's 90. Therefore, x equal to 90 naira. So we have succeeded in getting the cost of a jug and the cost of a knife. So in conclusion now, therefore a knife costs 90 naira, while a jug costs 140 naira. The knife costs this and the jug costs this. So that is the end of question number 1. So we'll go over quickly to question number 2. Question number 2. And question number 3 says 4 bowls and 6 plates. So as usual, let the cost of a bowl fall to a naira, while the cost of a plate equal to b naira. Okay. So we are now talking of 4 bowls, that is 4a plus 6b equal to 7,000. Then secondly, 6 bowls, that's 6a plus 5b equal to 8,000. Again, we can use elimination or substitution. For this one, I use the elimination. So this one, I multiply by 5, while equation 2 I multiply by 6. So if we do that, we have 20a plus 30b equal to 35,000. That's multiplying the whole of this by 5. Then here we have 36a plus 30b is equal to 48,000. Again, multiplying through. So you have to subtract. This will give me minus 16a is equal to, you subtract this, and that is 48 minus 35. This is 3, and this is 1. So that is 13 minus 13,000. Minus 13,000. So minus 13 because this negative here is affecting everything here. So this is minus 48. Then you remove this, that's this. Therefore, A is equal to minus 13,000 all over minus 16. You divide. And then you carry out the division. That will give us, if you divide using our calculator, this will give us 812.50. 812 naira 50 kobo. Now you go back and substitute to get the value of the other one. So from 1, or maybe let's come up. Therefore, A is equal to 812 naira 50 kobo. So coming up here to continue, we have, you can substitute in either equation 1 or 2. So from equation 1, we have 4a plus 6b. 4a plus 6b is equal to 7,000. Okay, so you substitute, that will give us 4 brackets 812.5 or 0.50 plus 6b equal to 7,000. And then you multiply out, that will give us 3250. 3250 plus 6b equal to 7,000. And then you collect like terms. You collect like terms. If you collect like terms, that will give us 6b now will be equal to 7,000 minus 3250. And that will give us, carry out the subtraction using your calculator. You have 3750. 3750. So 6b is equal to d, therefore b is equal to 3750 all over 6. And if you divide it again, and that will give us 625. 625 naira. So we have finally succeeded in getting the two values. Therefore, the cost of a bowl is equal to 812.50, while the cost of a plate is equal to 625 naira. So we have succeeded in getting the two values, and then that's the end of the questions. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If there's any question, you are free to put it in the comment section so that I'll look at it in my next video. Thank you.